Hello, welcome back to the SMART Tech2Tech video series on the SmartBoard 800 series interactive whiteboard. This is the fourth session in the series. We will discuss maintenance and troubleshooting, including the status lights, resetting, and the connection wizard. When cleaning and disinfecting the SmartBoard 800 series, remember to turn the unit off before wiping it down, so you don't move or inadvertently start any applications. If the infrared light sensors in the bottom of your pen tray's recesses are obstructed, pens and erasers will not be detected when lifted from the tray. Moisten a cotton swab with household cleaner and carefully wipe the sensors. Remember, touch is detected approximately 1 millimeter above the surface of the interactive whiteboard. Don't let normal operation be interpreted as a technical issue. The DVI-T cameras can differentiate between a pen, a finger, or an eraser. If your touch profile is too wide, like using multiple fingers or a clenched hand, it will be interpreted as an eraser. Make sure to use the entire profile of the eraser to get the expected tool. If the SmartBoard has been moved or the cameras have been jostled out of alignment, it could cause this pen issue. A great first step is to perform a system calibration through the SBX 800 diagnostics toolbar. There are two indicator lights on the extended control panel. While the power button flashes during startup and cooldown and is a steady green light while in operation, status light will show green, amber, or red lights to indicate the SmartBoard status. The ECP status light will indicate different modes of operation for your projector. For example, if you accidentally shut down your projector and attempt to power it back up immediately, you will see a flashing amber and green light while the fan cools the projector for shutdown. After cooldown is complete, you can turn on your projector. If you find you have erratic operation, skipping ink lines, or unusual behavior after a power interruption, there are a few ways to reset your SmartBoard 800 series. Either disconnect the USB cable from the host computer or depress the button on the bottom of the pen tray shown here. If you select the serial controller button for longer than 3 seconds, your SmartBoard will enter bootloader mode. Disconnect and reconnect the USB cable to the interactive whiteboard or computer to exit bootloader mode. If you find that your SmartBoard Tools icon has an X on the lower right-hand corner of the icon, this means your computer is not communicating with the SB800. Be sure the power is on and the cables are connected. The connection wizard, accessed through the Smart Settings, shown here, will verify basic communication between the computer and the SmartBoard. When the connection wizard recognizes your product, select Next to see a list of step-by-step basic troubleshooting procedures for your SmartBoard 800 series. This page shows the troubleshooting scenarios the connection wizard will lead you through. You will notice the status message in the lower portion of the Smart Settings window. This message gives you an indicator of where to start the diagnostic process. A limited functionality message may occur with one or more camera failures. In closing, if you have further questions regarding the maintenance and troubleshooting of the SmartBoard 800 interactive whiteboard, please check Smart Support Center at the listed URL. Search the knowledge base using the available filters and keywords or contact Smart's technical support using one of the listed options. Thanks again for viewing the 4th session in the SMART Tech2Tech video series on the SmartBoard 800 Interactive Whiteboard.